Hello, Retard Alert Nation. Hello, Retard Nation. We're gonna try to make slime. It's probably not gonna work. We got glue and we got pink. Now, guys, how do you make it with a marker? Well, I'll show you. The breathing is very intense. Don't worry. Sooner or later, you get it out, and this, if you want to make your own. So while he's getting that out, you need these, obviously. They need these. Oh, it's coming out. Ooh. Zoom up a lot. It's pink. It's supposed to be pink, and it looks like it's red. Well, it's pink. I like pink. We need a bowl. I need a bowl, too. Cool. Go get one. I'll be back in a second. Watch this. And power of editing. Okay. You got the bowl. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. You need to come sit back down. Okay. Spare some change. Okay. So now you get your glue. You get your glue. No. Do we need the water? Don't we need water? No, we don't. What was that? What did that recipe say? Dye packets. No, let me do it. I want to do the glue. I want to do the glue. I love it. How about we both do it, right? Get on top. Teamwork is a dream work. Why do we put this in here? I don't know. I like Stevens. All right, 3, 2, 1. Then you just do this until all the glue is out. All right, we'll come back when all the glue is out. And then when you know you're done. No, stop. All the glue on it. Now this is gonna be our mixing utensil. No, it's not. Alright, fine, it is. But dude, don't get that on me, I swear to God. Don't worry, it says washable, no run. Okay. That's very good. So look at, you want to see, guys. Washable, no run. Okay, and then I'm gonna go wash this. You better. And then, while he's washing this, I just take your pink thing that you got from your marker or whatever, and you turn it like this, and then the thing should come out, start dripping out any second now. Oh, you see that? There it is. Don't want to get it on my fingers, I'll be stained for life. Ooh, look at that pink. You see that drop? It looks like I'm bleeding right now. Oh, I got it on my finger. Well, I am. Well, looks like I'm bleeding now. Look at, guys. I'm bleeding. Oh, wait, who are you? Mrs. Wilson. Oh, this is Mrs. Wilson. Okay, guys, I'm going to wash my hands. He's going to wash his hands. He'll entertain you. I will entertain you. So, what we do is we take, okay, so as you can see, very, very nice. We're in there. Well, I still remember when it was not. Still remember when it was not. Okay, this actually goes with the eggs. If you guys want to see, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, guys. It looks very pink. Okay, put it back. Okay, now we'll take this down. No. Alright, fine. So you get your little utensil. You just poke it, pretty much. Okay. Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it. Okay. Jesus. All right. Okay, you got it. You definitely got it. Yeah. Okay, yep. Yeah, you got it. Yeah.
There we go. So this is what it should look like, guys.
Don't use the blue or the orange because those are just retarded.
I don't like blue.
I don't like blue either.
Oh my gosh, it looks like milk quake.
So guys, once we're done in this transition, there should be slime. Guys, we have not slime because we are retards and we don't know how to do it.
Retard 8 lurch.
Yeah, we are retard nation. So guys, I just want you guys to know we're not making fun of, you know, autistic people or anything like that. We just,
We're dumb.
Yeah, we're dumb. Okay, we do dumb stuff. Okay, and we just want you guys to know that we didn't make slime and stuff. So
Yeah.
yes, look at that. That is slime right there. Perfect. Oh yeah, this is what you guys saw in the montage. Ooh, it is satisfying. It's nice, satisfying.
It's fine.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do a thumbnail time. Thumbnail. Okay, 3, 2. I have to be in it, bro. How are we gonna do it if I'm not in it?
Just shut it down, bro.
Okay, we'll be back when we have the thumbnail. So, I hope you like this channel. We're not trying to make fun of people that are disabled. We feel very bad for them. Our aunt happens to be disabled, so yeah, and we have a friend who's disabled. So please, we're not trying to make fun of them. We just do dumb stuff, and we're very funny.
Yeah.
So
We tried to be.
Do you want to do the outro?
Sure, guys.
Okay.
Sure, guys. Did I sound like Kermit the Frog here? Kermit the Frog.
No. Guys, if you guys want to see a good Donald Duck impression, this is me, okay? So Disney, if you're watching, which you probably are, hire me. Ready? Do it.
And see you guys later. Bye.
Retard alert.